Hello and welcome to today's video where we are looking at the best resource for making money online and from home. And look, it doesn't matter what methods we are looking at when it comes to, earning online and making money. There are, hundreds of ways that you can do this. And depending on who you speak to, that will give you a different answer. Some people will say affiliate marketing, some people will say YouTube, other people will say e-commerce. The reason why I've settled upon the methods I'm going to be sharing with you in today's video is because I've trialed them, I've tested them, I've had a lot of experience in these, and I've been looking at making money online for, well, not looking at, but I've been making money online for probably about 16 years. I went full time when we launched this website here back in 2017. And in that time, we have covered hundreds of methods for making money online, some of them successfully, some not successfully. You may remember automated Forex trading and different cryptocurrencies. And, we've trialed and tested lots and lots of resources. So the one resource I'm going to share with you today is one that I've created myself. It also comes with a community and live case studies, and it's this one over here. So this is the Youniversity. Now, inside of here, you can see we have all of these different categories, okay? We have affiliate marketing, lots of stuff in here. We have an agency, we have YouTube, we have printables, the Amazon influencer program, we have TikTok, creating a course, Fiverr, e-commerce, and lots more. So basically, inside of this huge resource here, this is everything I'm doing in my own online business to make money online. When I'm not, in instances where I'm not doing this method, like Fiverr, for example, I pay someone, an expert who's doing this method and have made money, to come in and do and give the training inside of here. The other cool thing about making money online is it's awesome, isn't it? Okay, and we focus on passive incomes. Now, inside of the Youniversity over here, we also have a community over on Facebook, because when you are going down this route, it can be very daunting. You can feel lonely at times. You can even start to question things. Is this going to work? Are other people going to, get success from this? And it's just sometimes sometimes it's a negative world, to say the least. But if you are going through a process whereby you have all of the training here for you, it's all mapped out, it's all laid out, and you're surrounded by others who are on a similar journey to you, and they're sharing their own results, it just gives you that encouragement, okay? So inside of here, inside of the Youniversity, I want this to be the number one resource for anyone who is looking to make money online. And not only do I know these methods work because I'm doing them myself, I also have down here a case study section. And in the case study section, I prove that these methods work because I start from scratch, okay? So up here we have, it doesn't matter, whichever one of these you're going to, it will show you how to do all of these methods step by step, and it will give you homework, it will give you resources. So you can see down here, look, we've got download it here. We also have homework, we have PDFs, we have resources, we have workshops in here. So you can see on here, look, overview, resources, homework, etc. Okay, so in the case study section here, I will go through these methods and start from scratch, and I will share them with you. So you can see here how it works. Earnings on day 5, earnings on day 7, day 12, etc. The other one we've just finished was this one over here, whereby we looked at YouTube and Amazon. And again, we start from zero. How long did this method take? So scroll down here, going through everything that we're doing, all of the tools that we use. And that method there took us 14 days to earn our first commission, starting from scratch. And literally, there's so many different ways that you can make money online. And why we focus on a lot of these ones in here is because of the time, the time effort, the money effort, and also the realistic, targets that you can make with this. Because the earning capacity with all of these methods here is uncapped. You can earn as much or as little as you like. We also include down here a newsletter. So every month you go ahead and get this PDF. We also have this as a flip book. We've got interviews in here with people who are making money online in a number of different ways. So this one over here with Tom, he does internet marketing. This one down here with Craig, he made money with direct mail, believe it or not. And then Greg down here, he was selling products on Amazon. And then we have different things in here. So, reasons you aren't making money online, boosting your sales, social media traffic, etc. There's lots of stuff inside of here. The other flip side to this is we have the Facebook group over here. Now, inside of the Facebook group, obviously, I'm giving on updates on different case studies and trials that we're testing. But more importantly, is we have other people, students from the university who are sharing their methods and how much they're making. So we can see on here, someone here went down the agency route and they made a grand total of $1,500 a month going down the agency. So basically, they've gone through the training section over here, not this one. They've gone over the agency section here, taken action, taken the correct steps, and they're making money from this. If I scroll up here, we've got someone doing Facebook Reels. You can see the numbers on here. And yeah, it's just a great little resource as an addition to the actual training area over here, whereby, you can ask questions. People will give you encouragement. They will share their results, what they're doing, what's working well for them, what's not working well. And yeah, you can see as well, I'm also sharing my own personal, goals and updates to give everyone in here encouragement and to just keep pushing forwards, really. So look, that is the Not Taught at School University. This is, without a doubt, in my opinion, because I'm creating this, the best resource to start learning about making money online, but also to start building a passive income for yourself. And over time, we will continue going down this route down here of doing these case studies, of trialing these methods and sharing with you the results and everything that we are doing when it comes to earning online. Because look, it isn't hard. None of this, this making money online concepts is hard. You don't need to pay thousands of dollars for, different courses and different products to start this method. Pretty much all of these in here, literally, let me just double check this. Yeah. Pretty much all of these here, these methods here, can be done starting with zero money once once you've decided on a method and you decide to go down that route. You don't need to have any money. Don't get me wrong, if you do have money, you can fast track it. But if you don't have, a lot of money to start any of these methods, you can just go and start from day one using the resources and tools that we have inside of the university for you and start making money online, because it's not hard. It just takes time, effort, and consistency. And if you are prepared to put in those three things and be surrounded by people of the entrepreneurial mindset and people who are on a similar journey to you, it will help you speed up your success and your results. So look, that is today's video. If you have any questions about the university, please leave them down below. I'll answer them for you, not a problem. I'll even do another video on them for you. So yeah, take care and I'll see you soon.